Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Tonight's video, I will try to explain HOA fees, maintenance fees, and the fire and safety fee. I hope you enjoy the content. Take care. Here you can see the waxing gibbous mood even better. Beautiful night. The weather has changed. It's less humid the next few days. The humidity levels are supposed to be a lot less than they were. We had a very unseasonably warm summer this year. Very humid. Very humid. But yesterday and today and the next few days, the humidity level should be lower. There you see a street light in front of that home. One street light. You see the street light there. And then you don't see another street light until way over there on the corner. Very interesting. But there is a yard light in front of every home. Waxing gibbous moon over the Villages, Florida. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing, everybody. I do appreciate that. If you have any ideas for content that you'd like to see, please leave a comment. I did a video the other day about maintenance fee costs, and then I followed it up with another video that shows the detail for each residential district maintenance fees. And I just want to kind of clarify maintenance fees and the HOA fees. I have a lot of people asking me questions about the HOA fee. I tried to make a video that described the HOA fee as having three major components to it. Most other 55 plus communities have a flat rate HOA fee. The Villages really has three components to the HOA fee. The first component is the amenity fee. The amenity fee is $195 per month. That amenity fee covers the use of the recreation facilities like the swimming pools, tennis courts, pickleball courts, really anything recreation related. That amenity fee is paid monthly to the Villages. Usually you pay that as a direct debit to from your checking account. The other two components of the HOA fee are the maintenance fees and the fire and safety fee. Those two items show up on your property tax bill at the end of the year. Those are the non-ad valorem costs. The Villages calculates those costs, and they send those costs to the respective county that your home resides, and that county will add that cost to your property tax bill as a non-ad valorem fee. The county will collect that fee and forward it to the Villages. So when people ask about the HOA fee, it's the $195 a month amenity fee, plus the maintenance fee, plus the fire and safety fee. The maintenance fee and fire and safety fee will be collected once a year at the end of the year on your property tax bill. Your amenity fee is paid monthly to the Villages directly. The maintenance fees they vary from home to home, from village to village. It's very complex how the Villages calculates your maintenance fees. The Villages breaks down all of these villages into units. So for every village, there are several units of homes. And the maintenance fees are calculated for each unit of home and each type of home. So your maintenance fee on a patio villa will be a little bit lower than your maintenance fee on a designer home. It's a very complex formula that the Villages uses. It's hard to describe, but the maintenance fees are calculated for each individual unit of home within the Villages and each type of home. So it's hard to generalize what your maintenance fee is, which is part of your HOA fee. So I'm always hesitant to reply to comments, what is the HOA fee? Because the HOA fee actually varies from unit to unit and from home to home. Because the HOA fee includes your monthly amenity fee of $195, your maintenance fee that varies from unit to unit, and your fire and assessment fee. Those three fees need to be calculated in your HOA fee. And it's different for every unit of homes in the Villages. So I respond to the comments, what is the HOA fee? I respond by saying $195, but that is only the amenity fee portion of the HOA fee. I know it's very confusing. I was confused when I was researching the Villages to live here. And I know I have several subscribers that are confused as well. Now you can see the moon really well. So the maintenance fees vary depending on what area of the Villages you live. There are some areas of the Villages, if you live in a patio villa, your maintenance fees could be $200 a year, $250 a year. If you live in the southern part of the Villages in a newer home, those maintenance fees could be $500, $600, $700, $900 per year. So the maintenance fees kind of vary depending on the location of your home. And generally speaking, the maintenance fees are higher the further south in the Villages you live. And the maintenance fees are paid once a year to the county that you live, and it's passed through back to the Villages. This is another designer home neighborhood. You can see every home has a yard light, and there's not too many street lights. Looks like there's one street light on this street. Thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. I hope I explained the HOA fee so you can understand it. Because the HOA fee in general is a little bit different for every unit of home and every type of home. Because to be inclusive of the HOA fee, you need to include the amenity fee, the maintenance fee, and the fire and safety fee. Oh, this is really nice. How lit up is this area? Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Please leave comments below. and we'll take one last look at the moon. Have a good night, everybody. Take care.